and welcome back. I have strict instructions not to even do the weather. It's almost 69, 70 degrees out there this morning. Going to be an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous weekend in Athens, Alabama. If you're not in Athens, you're missing out. There's so much up. Don't forget there's other events too that we hope it doesn't rain on those events out there this weekend. So blame me if I said no rain, but no rain today. But let's head over the rest of the week right there. Thank you very much, Brad. All right, we are going to be talking about Chick-fil-A. Last week we had the pleasure of being out at the race on Saturday. Boy, you have hit it off with great weather for many years now.
It's been good, yeah. We've been really fortunate to have good weather just about every year. And, you know, I mean, it started out nice in the morning, you know, kind of cool out there. But we had a good turnout. So had a lot of runners and a good crowd out there just to watch. And so a lot of volunteers to help us out as well. So
it was really nice. You know, we saw like Rebecca got to run for the first time with her son. Austin Smith was, of course, GMC was a big sponsor. His beautiful wife Amelia and the children were out there. They had a good time. There was Ronnie. Unfortunately, Ronnie, we have been making a joke, shot blanks. That gun didn't work. About 4 times he tried, didn't work. The 5th one worked like a charm.
Yeah, he was. I don't know if it was a gun problem or an ammunition problem or what they had there, but it wasn't working.
Oh, it was a lot of fun, though. You know, this is an event where you can come out with your family. Even if you don't want to run the whole race, you can walk it. You can just spend some time with family talking about good health. And I have to say, whoever brought the cotton candy out there, thank you for all that those little sugar rushes that everyone needed. That was just something fun for the ones who didn't want to just eat all the healthy stuff.
Yeah, that was it was good. So yeah, that was a group called Loads of Love. So
they
were
passing
ministry.
Out Loads of Love because the kids love the cotton candy. But okay, good. Let's talk about what the donations went to.
Yeah, so we raise money for Bridge of Hope, so that's where we'll give the money, and so we don't have a final total yet, but we should have over $8,000 to give them. So and that will help fund some adoptions. So they do some good work of giving grants to people who you know they're adopting and just. All of a
There's
sudden
the sheriff trying to get in on that race.
He wanted to be on the race. Hey, he couldn't run and win, so he's just going to ride it. So
definitely, that's funny. Well, no, you cannot bring your horses to the Chick-fil-A race, but if you miss the rodeo parade downtown, it's always a lot of fun. Yes, that was funny, Maddie. Okay, thank you so much, Matthew. That's always fun. And don't forget those frosted lemonades. Frosted lemonades. Okay, I have had to live with this man for a week and hear about Way 31. He's going back. Today's the day. 11:30 to 12, he'll be on live, and then from 5 to 5:30.
I'm coming out of the closet.
They'll be doing a new Country Rover segment. Thank goodness it'll be over for this week anyway. Let's head over to him. Noah, I am so glad that he's here. He's doing a wonderful job. You ready, Noah?
I am.
All right, it's all yours.
I've got to give instructions. People just don't listen. I've been seeing your name on the marquee over here at the church for about a month now. I'm assuming you're playing there Sunday.
Yes, sir. It seems that way.
Boy, when Philip Presley gets somebody, he takes advantage of them to the fullest, doesn't he?
Hey, some other people do that too, I think.
Oh, well, Jamie Cooper's going to be one of them, too. You can add to that list. Is this your first CD out?
That's actually the second CD.
Second one?
Yes, sir.
How can people find you?
You can go to noahcleveland.com, or you can go to iTunes, Amazon, MP3, any digital download stores.
Now, how long have you been a Christian singer?
Since 2001.
And you have a 2-year-old?
I got a 2-year-old, lovely wife. 2-year-old's probably tearing the house down right now.
So is this what, are you an evangelist sort of, or are you just
I consider myself a musicianary, no different than maybe a missionary that would go over across the country or maybe to Ecuador or Nigeria, Africa, and preach the gospel. I just try to do it through music.
Okay. Well, you ready to entertain us again?
Yes, sir.
What time will you be playing tonight?
8:30.
8:30. I'll be in bed by then, but you know, we folks that get up at 2 o'clock in the morning have to go get our rest. But all right, no, it's all yours. Rodeo going on tonight too, and I don't forget that. Mike Blakely will be next. We'll be talking to the sheriff. Good to have you this morning. We look forward to getting all we can.
Can you feel your heart beating? Can you hear your spirit singing louder, louder than ever before? Are you ready for what's ahead? know it's always been there. You can't ignore the signs. So wake up now, it's time